Crack 8 eggs into a bowl. You're going to dip the bread in here later, so make sure it's a decent sized bowl. Add 1.5 cups of milk. We actually used almond milk, but feel free to use whatever floats your boat. 2 tablespoons of vanilla extract, 4 tablespoons of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Once you mix this all up, heat up a pan and grease it. We used lard, which is pig fat from the farm, but of course use whatever oil floats your boat. Dip the slices of bread in the egg mixture and put them on the pan. When they're brown, or whatever color floats your boat, flip them over to cook the other side. Enjoy with strawberries, whipped cream, powdered sugar, syrup, or whatever floats your boat. Just don't eat too much or your boat might not float.